7 reasons to eat lentils at least once a week. 1. Reduce cholesterol. It works like a blood channel. This is on the grounds that they contain an abnormal state of solvent fiber, which decreases cholesterol levels, staying away from the threat of a heart assault and stroke. 2. Keeps the heart solid. They are a magnificent wellspring of folic, corrosive and magnesium, which are critical for the imperativeness of our heart. The primary abatements homocysteine, which is an unsafe factor for some heart ailments. Then again, the second enhances the stream of blood, oxygen and supplements in our body. 3. Helps processing. They contain filaments that assist to mend and adjust the intestinal verdure. They are additionally great when other stomach-related scatters are dealt with normally, for example, aggravation of the digestive tract. 4. Controls sugar levels. The glycemic record measures the effect of nourishment on our blood, and this sustenance does not have much sugar, so it will keep up its ordinary levels. 5. Provides energy. They contain a great deal of iron and are suggested particularly for ladies amid their menstrual cycle, and additionally in pregnancy, since in these periods they have an inadequacy of iron in the blood. They are additionally thought to be significantly more beneficial than red meat. The reason is on the grounds that they have low measures of calories or fat. 6. You can shed pounds with them. According to the World Health Organization, lentils are at the highest priority on the rundown of sound sustenance items. They are loaded with supplements, for example, filaments, proteins, minerals and vitamins, which are perfect for the loss of weight and adjusted eating methodologies. 7. They contain a ton of protein. They contain more level than vegetable plants. For instance, an entire serving of these grains contains 17.8 grams of protein, which can fulfill 38% of the day-by-day needs of this supplement. So, these are the 7 reasons to eat lentils at least once a week. Please check the description for more information and download the PDF of the videos absolutely free. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more videos.